EVs. We all know it. These are the future. Kind of like old-fashioned cars minus that new gasoline smell. And now's the time to test drive one because SDG&E is offering their customers $50 off all electric vehicle rentals. So San Diego Mag, well, we did just that. We drove it all around East County to show you a couple of our favorite places. First, into a town called Guatai. There's a native plant oasis here along Old Highway 80 that's just bursting with creeping sage, blue lavender, Tecate cypress. If you miss the fire-bright fall leaf shows like they have on the East Coast, this is your place in San Diego. Then we snaked through the back roads around Cuyamaca Peak, refueled with pie, poked at some stuff in the general store, and decided to take the long way back through San Pasqual Valley. One charge on an EV takes you a lot of places these days. We clocked around 140 miles and we're barely through half a charge. We could have taken the trip twice. And in San Diego, there are thousands of chargers along the roads. And finally, if you like money and keeping it, SDG&E's pre-owned EV rebate program can save you up to $4,000. Check out sdge.com/EV rental discount.